In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically transcribe audio or video to text for free, so just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open any browser and search for riverside.fm transcription. Now, from the search results, click on the first link. Now, once the page opens, click on Transcribe. Now here, you can drag and drop your audio or video file or simply click to upload the file from your device. Now after uploading, select the language of your audio or video. Now tick the box that says, "I am a human," and continue. Now wait a little bit while the AI starts transcribing your file. Now once it's finished, you'll see the full transcription on your screen. Now from here, you can copy the text to clipboard or download it as a text file or SRT file. And that's it. That's how you transcribe audio or video to text for free. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.